Thanks everyone, and welcome to my talk parts. But I see some familiar faces here. So as you said, my name is Pulin Desai, Product Marketing Director for Vision DSP IP at Cadence. So within Cadence, there are various businesses, and I'm part of the Tensilica IP group. And Tensilica was a company that Cadence acquired about 6 years back. And the main product that Tensilica was offering was our Extensa processor. It's a 32-bit RISC processor that our customer can use as a main controller. And one of the unique things we offer is TIE, Tensilica Instruction Extension. And with this, our customer can write and add their own instruction set and create a custom solution for whatever problem they're trying to solve. And this allows you to add, as I said, a new instruction. And that business continues to be there, but on top of it, we took the same concept of TIE, Tensilica Instruction Extension, and we created vertical product lines for digital signal processing for different market. One of the market we target is audio DSP. Our Hi-Fi DSP is our #1 audio DSP solution for audio decoding, also for voice processing or wake-up word processing. I'm part of the Vision DSP group, and over here our Vision DSPs get used for imaging and computer vision processing, AI on the edge. And then we have a product line called Connex. That's a communication product line that can be used for radar, LiDAR, or a baseband modem. And overarching all this thing, we have another product line called DNA 100 that stands for Deep Neural Network Accelerator. And this Deep Neural Accelerator can be used for CNN, RNN, and regression. So as I said, I'm part of the Vision DSP, so I will be now focusing on the Vision DSP products.